Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix AirDrop notifications not working on iPhone after update iOS 17. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? So first of all, you have first solution. You have keep your iPhone unlocked. Then have facing this problem, AirDrop notification is not showing. Then first solution you have keep your iPhone is unlocked must be since AirDrop requires your iPhone to be awake in order to appear as an available device. It is important to keep your iPhone unlocked. Also, AirDrop release on Bluetooth to scan for compatible devices within an approximate range for 10 meters. But for the best experience, it is recommended to keep the device even closer. So then you have first solution. Then second solution, you have enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So then you have open the settings. So then Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to and then enable on your iPhone. Then third solution, you have turn off personal hotspot. So then you have open the control center. So then you have click on Wi-Fi. So then turn off personal hotspot. And then fourth solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile is restarted, and then your problem will be fixed. Then another solution, you have temporarily disable VPN. So then you have open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on VPN, device manager not connected. So then you have connected the VPN. So then you must be uh, disabled. So only enough several users on the Apple forums reported experiencing issue using AirDrop while connected to a VPN network. To avoid any conflicts, you can temporarily disable VPN on both the sending and receiving devices and see if that gets things moving again. And then other solution, you have install iOS update. So then you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update, iOS latest version available. So you must be update on your iPhone. Then last solution, you have reset network setting, and again open the setting, again click on general, scroll up, then we have click on transfer or reset, then we have click on reset network setting, iPhone given a passcode, and then you have taken in a passcode on your iPhone. Then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.